Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if Facebook notifications are not working properly on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button and then select the apps tile on this page and select where it says all apps near the top. And then you want to scroll down and locate the Facebook app listing in here. Go ahead and select that. And then select where it says notifications. So if notifications are not working, you have to toggle this to the right. So go click inside this oval to enable all Facebook notifications. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.